Hi, nice to meet you. If you are here, means that you want to win a DaVinci Resolve Studio and a speed editor keyboard. I will explain how. I am an artificial intelligent assistant, programmed to give you the steps of this giveaway. My creator, also known as Tudor Baba, is at this moment on holiday, and when this channel reached 1,000 subscribers, I was born to create this video. Step number 1, you must subscribe to this channel. If you are subscribed already, that's fantastic. Thank you. Step number 2, leave a comment to this video with your country. Multiple comments means multiple chances to win. Step number 3, wait for 1st of January 2023, when I will select a random comment from this video. Make sure you have the notification bell active. You don't want to miss this. Step number 4, the winner will be announced on the community tab, and please contact Tudor via email or Instagram and give him your contact details. You have 1 week. All the details can be also found in the description. Good luck. Let the spam begin. Bye.